Welcome to the Honest Auto Reviews. Today, we're stepping into a whole new level of road travel. Something that blurs the line between a five-star hotel and a futuristic limousine. Introducing the 2026 luxurious Limousine Motorhome, the ultimate blend of elegance, technology, and performance. From the moment it rolls into view, this motorhome demands attention. With its stretched limousine body, gloss black and chrome accents, and 26-foot length, it looks more like something out of a sci-fi movie than something you'd take on a weekend road trip. But this isn't just about looks. It's built to impress from the inside out. Underneath all that beauty is a twin-turbo V8 hybrid engine producing over 650 horsepower. Smooth, silent, and powerful, it glides on highways and tackles steep grades with ease. And thanks to its smart hybrid system, it's not just powerful, it's surprisingly efficient. Regenerative braking, intelligent cruise control, and terrain-adaptive suspension make the ride feel more like a first-class flight than a road journey. Step inside, and everything changes. You're no longer in a vehicle. You're in a luxury, suite on wheels. Plush Italian leather seats, heated and ventilated with full recline, surround you. The interior lighting responds to your mood. The floor is polished walnut with underfloor heating, and the air quality is automatically monitored and adjusted by a built-in purifier. At the center of the lounge area is a 60-inch roll-down OLED display, paired with a Dolby Atmos sound system. The windows are electrochromic, meaning they tint automatically based on sunlight, or can be blacked out instantly for privacy. There's even a digital fireplace, just for ambiance. The kitchen is something you'd expect in a high-end apartment. Induction stove, smart oven, touch-activated sink, and a dual-zone fridge that not only cools but keeps track of expiration dates. The coffee machine, voice-activated, of course. In the rear cabin, you'll find a queen-size memory foam bed, ceiling-mounted starlight effects, and a walk-in bathroom with full standing shower, illuminated mirror, and a heated toilet seat. It even has a full-size wardrobe with built-in dehumidifier and cedar lining. Tech-wise, it's loaded. You've got an AI assistant that controls everything: lighting, entertainment, climate, and even navigation. A 360-degree camera system with augmented reality overlays helps you park and drive effortlessly. And with 5G internet, onboard Wi-Fi, and a satellite dish, you're always connected, even in the middle of nowhere. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a mobile mansion built for the future. Whether you're a celebrity on tour, a business tycoon needing a mobile office, or someone who just refuses to compromise on comfort, this is how you travel. At a price tag pushing $500,000, it's not for everyone. But for those who can afford it, the 2026 luxurious Limousine Motorhome isn't just transportation. It's a personal luxury retreat that goes wherever you go. Would you take this on a road trip across the country? Or park it on a cliffside just to enjoy the sunset in total luxury? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next look at the future of vehicles. Thanks for watching. And remember, luxury isn't just a destination, it's how you get there.